Good evening, guys. I wanted to come on this morning. This is Watchwoman65, Lisa Boyce. I wanted to let you all know that. Now, I haven't heard the speech from President Trump, but I know he's got to tell the public what he's got to tell the public so the public won't panic. But anyway, San Francisco has declared a state of emergency due to the coronavirus. And I got this... I hate this news station, Clown's News Network, CNN, or Clinton's News Network. I can't stand it. But anyway, this is the first thing that popped up. So I'm going to leave the article in the description box. It says San Francisco's mayor yesterday actually declared local emergency to make it easier for the populous city and international travel hub to combat the coronavirus. It says, the move will, along with other things, help the city get reimbursed by state and federal governments for money it spends on preparedness, Mayor London Breed said at a news conference. The declaration of emergency is all about preparedness. Now, let me stop there. I lived in San Francisco for a year and a half. That was 19 years ago. I'm sure it's a lot worse now than what it was when I was there. And it was filthy back then. I pray for people who are there now. I'm sorry. But if you're born again, if you're saved by grace through faith in Christ alone, and you live in that city, you're going to be raptured out of there. But the rest of the people, anyway, the announcement follows similar declarations in California's Santa Clara, San Diego counties. The move came to U.S. health officials warned they expect eventually to see the continual spread of the coronavirus in the United States. Breed's declaration is effective immediately for 7 days, though the Board of Supervisors will vote on its continuation March 3rd. And it's got here how the emergency will help the city prepare and so forth. The city will also focus on making sure healthcare workers, because they have the most contact with symptomatic people, have the supplies they need to lower the chances they would become sick. City health officer Dr. Thomas Argon said. Media coverage for the declaration itself can raise awareness about how to prevent the spread of the virus, officials said. So far, there is no cure or vaccine for the virus. Clinical trials to evaluate whether a certain antiviral drug can treat the illness is underway in the United States and China. I just wanted to give you an update about this. I'm going to leave the description or the article in the description box. If anything else comes up, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think there's a number of countries that are under a declaration of emergency declaration right now. This thing is out, and we, the saints, the true born-again watchers of Jesus Christ, the true born-again believers, we're going to be taken out of here shortly. I'm not setting a date. I could, but I won't. But we're going to be gone. And like I said earlier, this is a precursor to what's coming. No, we're not in the tribulation. This is just, like I said, a precursor to what's going to be coming here. If this is a precursor, we don't want to be here for what's coming for real. I'm just saying. But anyway, like I said, I got this article off of Clown's News Network, or Clinton's News Network, CNN. So I'll link it in the description box. In the meantime, if something else comes up, I will let you know. Have a nice night.